Navigating a diabetes diagnosis can be challenging, but it doesn't mean giving up on the flavors you love. For Indian Americans managing their blood sugar in the US, a diabetic-friendly breakfast can feel like a compromise. However, by understanding key nutritional principles and making smart substitutions, you can enjoy traditional Indian breakfast dishes that are both delicious and healthy. This article provides a detailed guide on creating diabetic-friendly Indian breakfasts, focusing on low glycemic index foods, high protein, and fiber. We'll explore a variety of recipes that can be easily adapted for a healthy lifestyle, ensuring a satisfying start to your day without the worry of blood sugar spikes. The foundation of a diabetic-friendly Indian breakfast. The core principles of a healthy breakfast for a person with diabetes are low glycemic index (GI) carbohydrates. The glycemic index is a measure of how quickly a food raises blood sugar. Foods with a low GI are digested and absorbed more slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar levels. Examples include millets, legumes, and whole grains. High in fiber. Fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, which helps in better blood sugar control. It also keeps you feeling full for longer, which can aid in weight management. Rich in protein. Protein is crucial for satiety and helps to stabilize blood sugar. It also supports muscle health, which is vital for managing diabetes. Healthy fats. Incorporating healthy fats from sources like nuts, seeds, and avocado can improve insulin sensitivity and provide long-lasting energy. Smart substitutions for traditional Indian breakfasts. Many traditional Indian breakfast staples, while delicious, are high in refined carbohydrates and can cause a rapid increase in blood sugar. Here's how you can make simple, yet effective, substitutions. Replace white rice and semolina, rava. Instead of using white rice for idli and dosa or semolina for upma, opt for millets, like foxtail, kodo or ragi, whole grains or legumes. Quinoa is also an excellent, high-protein substitute for upma. Use whole grains and legumes. Swap all-purpose flour, maida, and regular wheat flour for whole wheat flour mixed with flours like gram flour, besan, jawar or bajra for making parathas and rotis. Prioritize fiber and vegetables. Load your dishes with a variety of non-starchy vegetables like spinach, fenugreek leaves, methi, carrots, and peas. This not only adds nutrients and flavor, but also significantly increases the fiber content. Control portion sizes. Even with healthy ingredients, portion control is key to managing blood sugar. Be mindful of serving sizes, especially for dishes that contain carbohydrates. Diabetic-friendly Indian breakfast recipes. Here are several popular Indian breakfast dishes, reimagined to be healthy and delicious for a sugar patient. 1. Moong dal chilla, savory lentil pancakes. Why it's a good choice. Moong dal, split yellow lentils, is a great source of protein and has a low glycemic index. This recipe is naturally gluten-free and can be made without any oil for an even healthier option. Recipe idea. Soak 1 cup of moong dal for a few hours. Blend the soaked dal with green chilies, ginger, and a little water to form a smooth, pourable batter. Add finely chopped onions, carrots, and coriander leaves. Season with salt, turmeric, and a pinch of asafoetida, hing. Heat a non-stick pan and lightly grease it with oil or cooking spray. Pour a ladle of batter and spread it like a pancake. Cook on both sides until golden brown. Serve hot with mint or coriander chutney. 2. Ragi idli and dosa. Why it's a good choice. Ragi, finger millet, is a powerhouse of nutrients high in dietary fiber and has a low GI. It's an excellent replacement for rice in idli and dosa batters. Recipe idea. Replace half of the rice in your traditional idli/dosa batter with ragi flour. You can also make a batter entirely with ragi and urad dal for an even healthier option. Soak urad dal and ragi overnight. Grind into a smooth batter and let it ferment. Use this batter to make steamed idlis or crispy dosas on a non-stick pan. Pair with a fiber-rich sambar, packed with vegetables like drumsticks, carrots, and beans. 3. Vegetable oats upma. Why it's a good choice. Oats are high in soluble fiber, beta-glucan, which helps slow the absorption of glucose. This recipe is a quick and nutritious alternative to traditional semolina upma. Recipe idea. Dry roast rolled oats until they are slightly golden. In a pan, heat a small amount of oil and add mustard seeds, curry leaves, and green chilies. Add a generous amount of chopped vegetables like onions, peas, carrots, and bell peppers. Saute until tender. Add the roasted oats and hot water, stirring continuously to prevent lumps. Cook until the oats have absorbed the water and the upma has a soft, fluffy texture. Garnish with fresh coriander. 4. Besan chila, gram flour pancakes. Why it's a good choice? Besan, gram flour, is a legume-based flour, making it a good source of protein and fiber. It's a quick and simple breakfast that can be customized with various vegetables. Recipe idea. Mix besan with water to form a smooth batter. Add finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and coriander. Season with turmeric, red chili powder, and carom seeds. Ajwain. Cook on a non-stick pan with minimal oil, just like a pancake. For an extra protein boost, crumble some low-fat paneer or tofu into the batter. 5. Sprout salad. Why it's a good choice. This no-cook breakfast is bursting with protein, fiber, and vitamins. Sprouts have a very low glycemic index and are easy to digest. Recipe idea. Use a mix of sprouted moong, black chickpeas, or lentils. You can easily sprout them at home. Combine the sprouts with chopped cucumber, tomatoes, onions, and fresh coriander. Dress the salad with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of black salt, and roasted cumin powder. For a heartier meal, you can add some low-fat paneer, or a handful of roasted peanuts. By embracing these creative and healthy adaptations, Indian Americans with diabetes can continue to enjoy their favorite comfort foods for breakfast, all while maintaining their health and blood sugar goals in the United States.